Hello friends, welcome to Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, a new world of accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, we will show you a useful website where you will get multiple features in just one platform. If you want to know more, just watch this video till the end. If you're first time visit this channel and first time you are listening to me, don't forget to press subscribe button and press the bell icon, choose all notification to get latest updates. Please join our second channel also where we upload daily tech videos where you can learn tech related things in just 60 seconds. The link is given in the video description below. So, further than a delay, let's get started. I'm opening Chrome.
Taskbar, new tab, Google Chrome, toolbar.
Now here I'm typing 123apps.com. This is the site name.
Web 2 of 3 unselect, PPS on 1 CO selection remove.
Pressing enter on it.
Web apps by 123 apps edit, convert, create, visited link.
So here you will get all the options, more than 50 applications in just one web app. You will get audio tools, you will get video tools. I'm just directly pressing
No
H.
next heading, many clickable, web apps by 1 edit, video to visited link new, visited link new.
So under video tools you will get
Visited
these
link
things.
video editor.
Video editor,
Link new, link screen recorder.
screen recorder,
Link merge videos.
merge videos,
Link add audio to video.
add audio to video,
Link trim video.
trim video,
Link add image to video. Visited link add text to
see,
video.
add text to
Link
video,
remove logo from video.
remove
Link
logo.
crop video. Link rotate video. Link flip video.
And the most interesting thing is most of the features of this website is very easy to use and it's almost accessible with screen reader.
Link loop video. Link resize video.
See.
Link loop video. Link change volume.
Sometimes
Link
we
change
need
videos. Link stabilize video. Link video record audio tools.
Okay.
Link trim audio.
Trim
Link
audio,
change volume.
change
Link
volume,
change speed. Link change pitch.
speed.
Link equalizer. Link
See.
reverse audio. Link voice recorder. Link audio joiner. PDF tools. Link split. Link merge.
See.
Link compress. Link unlock. Visited link protect. Link rotate. Link add page numbers. Visited link PDF to Word. Link PD. Visited link PDF to Word.
Okay, so PDF to Word, you should choose if you want to convert your PDF file to Word. But sometimes we need that there is a PDF file we need to convert into Word. So we can easily do it by using this 123apps.com. But the thing is, if your PDF contains graphics, your PDF contains OCR, or your PDF is presented in any other language except English, then definitely you may not get the exact result. So that's why if you want to use, you can try, but it is not working properly. Okay, but English PDF is working fine.
Link PDF to Excel.
Okay, so PDF to
Link
Excel.
PDF to JP. Link PDF to PNG.
See.
Link PDF. Link Word to PDF. Link JPG to PD. Link Excel to PDF. Link PPT to PDF. Link
See.
PNG to PDF converters. Link audio converter.
Audio converter,
Link video converter.
video converter. Okay, so I'm not going to show you because see, this is very simple. So now I'm just going
Link audio
to, for
converter.
example, I want to convert the audio file. So what I do is, if I click on enter here,
Land frame clickable advertising.
so another one advertisement is
Insert
come.
button, close
So I'm
ad.
just click on close ad button.
Online audio converter.
See, online audio
Clickable menu
converter.
navigate sub menu link audio advertise inserted frame
See.
inserted nat inserted link insert out of one clickable one. Clickable link open files.
See, first thing is open files.
Or
I'm pressing down
link
arrow.
Google Drive. Link Dropbox. Link
Okay, so
Google.
if you have Google Drive, if you have
Link
Dropbox link, you
Link
can
URL.
choose.
2.
Okay.
Clickable link URL.
Also, you can give the URL also.
2. Clickable MP3.
Okay, so MP3
Clickable WAV.
or WAV,
Clickable iPhone ringtone.
iPhone ringtone,
Clickable M4.
M4,
Clickable flag.
flag.
Clickable log.
Okay,
clickable more.
OGG, more. So if you click here more, so you can find more options. So first you need to upload the files here, and then you need to convert. After converting, you will get the download link. Okay, so to access some features of this website, you need to create one account here. So there is a sign in option. You can get signed in, and there you need to enter your email ID, name and password, and you can easily create one account here, and there you can access. Also, they have a premium subscription option, premium version, where you will get ad free and some other extra features also. But in free version, you can get a lot of things. Now,
Land.
I'm not showing you everything step by step, because that if I'm doing that, then definitely the video will take a long time. So I'm just going
Web
back.
apps by 100. Menu
Now
navigation
just for
landmark. Visited sub.
example, I'm just going to another
Clickable web edit video tool. Visited link video link links link add on link trim video link add link link change volume link audio tools.
So what I do
link
is
trim audio
audio,
change
trim audio,
volume
change volume,
link change speed
change
link
speed,
change pitch
okay, change
link
speed,
equalizer link reverse on link voice recorder
voice recorder,
link audio joiner
okay. So you can just use, you can just try to
PDF
use, okay?
tool link split link merge link compress link unlock visited link protect
Protect.
link rotate visit link unlock
Okay, so
visit
what
link
to
row link add
PDF,
page numbers
add page numbers. So if you want to add the page numbers, you
visited
can
link
add
PDF to link PDF to Excel link PDF to
Excel,
JPG
PDF to
link
JPG.
PDF to
It's very easy. This very easy interface, okay? So you can easily, if you want to convert your Word file, PDF file to Word, it's very easy. See.
link link add page no link rotate visited link protect link unlock link compress link merge link split
See.
PDF tools link visited link protect link rotate link add page visited link PDF to Word
PDF to Word,
link PDF to Excel
PDF to Excel. So
visited
I'm
link
just click on PDF to Word.
convert PDF to Word
Now see.
clickable heading level convert PDF inserted frame link insert
First, what you do
out of
is
frame clickable Google Drive click separate clickable choose file
choose file. So if I press enter here, see.
open dialog file name
Here
file.
I'm just giving the file, okay? So if I give the file, then it will upload and it will process, and then it will give you the download link. It is very easy, okay?
convert PDF
So that's why I'm not going to show you every features in detail, okay? But I'll try to make different videos on audio editing or video editing by using these applications or in this web app. But that depends on your like, that depends on your comment. So if you want those videos, please let me know into the comment section. Then I will definitely make videos for you. Okay, so this is all about today's video. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, and thank you for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.